Morning guys, harvesting day, 4 months into it. That's the buyer. She brought her crew, pick out the rejects and the standards. So up to her standards, because if we pick it, they think we're cheating them. So we got a scale, bagging up. I think this is the first time I ever sold. I split out 3 quality. I think the regular, the rejects, and the small. So that's a 3-ton truck right there. It's almost full. I think they probably got carrying the scooter, the assets. But we still got more tomorrow. I think it's like almost 50%. Give you guys a rough idea how easy to sell stuff here. As long as you got the stuff, you always have buyers.
Chụp mấy một quay lại cái tông nó dễ ăn vậy vậy chứ còn hơn nữa lại nữa còn 56 ngàn.
Điều 7 rồi đó. Còn khỏe mạnh nữa. Cân sức. Mới ra trận nữa. Tắt